Hey Harrison,
Yeah,
would you rather have hiccups for the rest of your life or feel like you're about to sneeze but can't?
definitely hiccups. The feeling where you're about to sneeze, if I had that forever, that would be like torture. That would be so tough.
I get it. Hey Clay.
Well, hello.
Hello. Would you rather have the hiccups for the rest of your life or feel like you're about to sneeze but can't?
Probably that I have a feeling I'm about to sneeze but can't. I think if I had the hiccups for the rest of my life, I would go absolutely insane.
I get it. Thank you.